Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel we give reviews about skincare and haircare products. So today, we are going to discuss more about a skincare products called Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash. So before I start, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash is a smooth and healthy-looking skincare products. It contains vitamin B5 plus E and pro-amino acids. The Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash is kind to skin. The Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash is 100% soap-free and it for all skin types. It has no color, no perfume, and no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin. With pro-vitamin B5, together with vitamin E, this deep cleansing, foaming gel cream helps skin become more resilient against damage with every wash. Its pro-amino acid technology boosts the levels of strengthening amino acids naturally present in skin, for a hydrated and strong skin barrier against drying elements like pollution. But it doesn't stop there. This face cleanser is also proven to boost skin moisture from the very first wash. You'll love the non-stripping, pH-neutral lather which leaves skin gratifyingly clean and satisfyingly moisturized. And you can count on this face wash to remove traces of makeup, dirt and grime, minus the tight, dry skin feeling. 100% soap-free and packed with ultra-nourishing ingredients, this daily cleanser is suitable for all skin types and is super gentle, even on sensitive skin. Like other Simple products, the Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash is dermatologically tested, non-comedogenic, contains no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin and is free from alcohol, mineral oils, artificial colors and perfume. What's more, this simple face wash is PETA approved and vegan, with planet-friendly packaging that's made with 25% less plastic. Hot to use Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash. Step 1. Wet face with warm water, squeeze amount into hands and work into a lather. Step 2. Massage gently in a circular motion onto wet skin. Step 3. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Avoid getting into your eyes. If it gets into your eyes, rinse thoroughly with water. Side effects of Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash. The face wash has no side effects. Benefits of using Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash. 1. It helps to smoothen the skin. 2. It keeps the skin healthy. 3. It has no chemical that can upset your skin. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload new video.